Are you looking for new construction near Charleston without the cookie cutter feel or long wait times? Let me introduce you to Abbey Walk Community by Dreamfinders Homes. This community offers both townhomes and single family detached. Close to Moncks Corner and Fox Bank with all the shopping and restaurants you could want. These custom homes are fully spec'd out with upgrades in each home, meaning that the price that you see is all in. Think porches, luxury finishes, and a price you can afford. Hey, I'm Jessica Mendenhall with the Elevate team at eXp Realty, and I love helping people make their dream move to the Lowcountry. Whether you're relocating soon or just dreaming about the move, let's connect. My info's below, and I would be honored to help you find your perfect home here in Charleston. Now, real quick, before we get into Abbey Walk, I have a few words of wisdom to give, especially if you're thinking about checking out this community on your own. Now, before you stop by the model home or talk to the agent at the community, it's super important to reach out to us first. And here's why. The agent at the builder represents the builder, and you need somebody representing you. When you work with me, you get expert insight, personal support, and 100% guidance from start to finish. And the best part? The builder almost always covers the buyer's agency commission, so you won't have to worry about that. And I know what questions to ask. I've walked these homes, I've worked with these sales reps, and I've helped lots of buyers like you from start to finish. So whether you're just starting to explore Abbey Walk or any new construction in the Charleston area, let's talk first. You deserve someone on your side, and that's exactly what I'm here for.
Welcome to Abbey Walk, a vibrant solar-powered community nestled in the heart of charming Moncks Corner, South Carolina, where modern living meets low-country charm, with single-family homes starting in the high 300s and townhomes starting in the high 200s. Surrounded by serene green spaces and scenic walking trails, Abbey Walk offers a peaceful atmosphere. With an average lot size of 0.15 acres for single-family homes, there's plenty of room to make your dream home a reality. As a solar community, Abbey Walk embraces energy efficiency, helping you save on utilities while living sustainably. Just minutes from the heart of Moncks Corner and only 2 miles from the Berkeley Golf Course, you're never far from quaint shops, dining, or a relaxing day on the green. Phase 3 will be starting soon. Phase 2 is finishing out with a little over 100 homes, with 9 single-family homes and 17 townhomes left to sell, fully spec'd out and ready to go. Now entering Phase 3, Abbey Walk is ready to welcome new homeowners. With a build time of approximately 6 months from scratch, your custom home can be move-in ready before you know it. Take advantage of exclusive builder incentives. Through the end of 2025, enjoy fixed-rate financing as low as 4.99% on VA and FHA loans and 5.99% on conventional loans when using their preferred lender. When you go under contract on your new home, you're not left wondering what comes next. We walk you through every step of the way. First, you'll have a pre-construction meeting where we'll review your home's plans, finishes, and what to expect throughout the build. Then, just before drywall goes up, you'll attend a pre-drywall walkthrough. This gives you the chance to see the inner workings of your home, like electrical, HVAC, and plumbing, before the walls are closed in. As we get closer to closing day, you'll have your new home orientation. This is where we walk you through every room, explain how your systems work, and make sure everything meets your expectations. And we don't stop there. 14 days after closing, you'll also have a warranty orientation. It's a check-in to answer questions, address any concerns, and make sure you're settling in with confidence. From contract to keys and beyond, you're fully supported every step. Abbey Walk's low-maintenance townhomes feature stunning primary on the main floor plans, designed for comfort and convenience. Step inside to discover open-concept layouts, stainless steel appliances, and level 1 granite countertops, all crafted with quality and style in mind. HOA on the townhomes are $135 a month, and the main HOA is $620 per year. Let's talk about what makes this home truly special. You'll walk in through a sleek 6-foot, 8-inch fiberglass front door and notice 9-foot ceilings, oversized windows, luxury plank flooring throughout the main areas. The kitchen is fully loaded with energy-efficient stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a Kohler pull-down faucet, and 36-inch staggered birch cabinets with crown molding. The master bath features dual sinks, quartz counters, a separate tub and shower per plan, and brushed nickel finishes throughout the home. You'll also get up to 90% LED lighting, ceiling fan pre-wires in all bedrooms and living spaces, and thoughtful details like crown molding, wide baseboards, and a dramatic tray ceiling in the primary bedroom. For extra convenience, there's a central wiring system, pull-down attic stairs, and quick-set smart key locks for added security. This home is built for comfort, function, and everyday elegance. Outside, the curb appeal and exterior features here are just as impressive. This home is wrapped in durable fiber cement siding with decorative shake or board and batten accents, depending on the plan. All windows and doors are trimmed with coordinating fiber cement for a cleaned, polished look. You'll notice square columns up front, painted wood railing, and everything sits on a solid, monolithic slab foundation that's built to last. The roof features 30-year architectural shingles in weathered wood, giving the home a timeless style and lasting protection. The drywalled two-car garage includes carriage hardware for that custom touch, and out back, a concrete patio gives you the perfect space to relax, unless you've opted for a sunroom or screened-in porch. Your yard is fully landscaped front to back with sod, pine straw, shrubbery, and a tree already in place. You'll also find 2 hose bibs, black exterior lights, and a pre-wire for your garage door opener all ready to go. From the first impression to the final detail, this exterior has been thoughtfully designed to stand out and stay strong. Let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with your new home, because protection matters. You'll receive a 1-year limited warranty to cover the little things that come up after you move in, plus a 10-year structural warranty for long-term confidence in your home's foundation and framing. Appliances and fixtures covered with manufacturer warranties, giving you added assurance. And during construction, a termite bond is already established to help protect your investment from the ground up. This isn't just a home, it's a home with built-in security, durability, and long-term support. Discover the lifestyle you've been dreaming of at Abbey Walk in Moncks Corner. Contact us today to schedule a tour and see why this solar-powered community is the perfect place to call home.
And that wraps up our tour of Abbey Walk in Moncks Corner. Just 45 minutes to downtown Charleston, 35 minutes to Charleston Airport, and less than an hour to Folly and IOP beaches. And if you're interested in more new construction or you're ready to book a call, we have free consultation for any buyers or sellers, and you can find that in the pinned comments, and our team will be happy to help. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss anything about Charleston real estate. And don't forget to check out our playlist that includes more vlog-style tours, pros and cons, information about the area, and of course, new construction. Talk to you soon.